How are we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been some time, but today we are down at a preserve railway, the Bluebell Railway down here in West Sussex. Now we have two engines running today. We have the little Terrier number 72 Fenchurch, and that is running on the Met 1 stock. Lovely combination, and it really does look spot on together. Now we were meant to have the 01 today, but due to something, I don't know what's happened to the engine, we've kind of had an upgrade. We've got the brand new all singing, all dancing Atlantic. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Beachy Head. What a machine. Credit to everyone involved. So we've done two locations today. We've done just outside Horsted Keynes, which you will see in a few minutes. And then we're down here at Freshfield Bank getting a few photographs and videos. So ladies and gentlemen, sit back, enjoy, and welcome to the Bluebell Railway. that brings to a close my little day down here at the Bluebell Railway. 2-train service with number 72 Fenchurch and also Beachy Head. That thing sounded absolutely biblical coming out of Sheffield Park, I think you'll agree. Hats off to everyone involved with that. Now, if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a quick like, and if you're enjoying the content, give the channel a quick subscription. It does help the channel out, and yes, I am going to get back onto the model railway videos eventually. Just a few things in place which is going to help take that forward. So the model railway videos will be coming back, but I am going to be trying to do a little bit more of this sort of stuff on the preserve scene. Not a lot more for me to say. I've been Matt, this has been the Bluebell Railway, and I'll catch you all again very, very soon. Bye for now.